Chemistry. Separation of substances. Hello friends, I am Geetika, student of class 6th. I am here with you today with an important topic of chemistry regarding mixtures and pure substances, why separation is necessary, methods of separating solubility, and importance of water as a solvent. If we look around us, we find that most substances are mixtures of two or more elements or compounds. For example, tap water is a mixture, it contains water and many dissolved salts. Seawater is a mixture, it has several salts, etc., that are dissolved in water. Air is a mixture of several gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. If a substance contains only one type of atom or molecules, then it is called a pure substance. And if there are different molecules or substance, then it becomes a mixture. In a mixture, if the constituents are uniformly spread, then such a mixture is called homogeneous mixture. For example, sugar dissolved in water. On the other hand, in a mixture, if the constituents are not uniformly spread, then it is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, mixture of iron fillings and sand. Properties of mixture. If we look at the properties of mixtures, then we find that the components of a mixture can be in any ratio. Components of a mixture always retain their individual properties. For example, in case of iron filings and sand, they have individual properties. Constituents of a mixture can be separated by simple process like filtration, sedimentation, decantation, etc. Now, a question arises why separation is required? It is required because of the following reasons: to remove undesirable constituents. Harmful substances may be present in river water and they have to be removed before supplying water to our houses to obtain useful constituents. For example, petrol, kerosene, diesel, etc., are obtained by separating them from crude oil. To obtain pure substances, sometimes pure form is required for research, work, or other purposes. Methods of separation. To separate a mixture, we have to use such a property that one constituent of the mixture has and other constituent does not have. For separating solids from other solids, we can use threshing and winnowing, like taking grains from stalks, hand picking, and sieving. A sieve is used to separate bigger particles. Second, separating insoluble solids from liquids. For this, we can use sedimentation and decantation. Insoluble substances which are heavier than water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation is the process in which heavier particles settle down, and decantation is the process of pouring out liquid without disturbing the sediment. Filtration process is also used for this. Loading. If the suspended particles of a solid or liquid are very fine, they take a very long time to settle. For example, the particles of clay in muddy water are very fine, and for speeding up sedimentation, alum is used. The alum loads the fine particles of clay in water and they become heavier and settle down. Third point, distillation. It is a method of obtaining pure liquid. from a solution. The solution is heated so that the liquid evaporates. The vapors are cooled. They condense to give pure liquid. Two miscible liquids that have different boiling points, like water and a coal, can be separated by a process called fractional distillation. Solubility. Consider an example: sugar and water together form a solution of sugar in water. Water here is a solvent. Sugar, the substance that dissolves in water, is called solute. Solvent and solute together form a solution. Water can dissolve a large number of substances in it, and it is called a universal solvent. It is because of this property of dissolving a large number of substances that the water is so essential for life. Now, to sum up, we can say a homogeneous mixture is a mixture in which constituents are uniformly separated and each part of the mixture has some properties. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the constituents are not uniformly separated and each part does not have the same properties. So, in the end, we can have a concept map as under. Concept map. Trashing method of separation. Solids. Trashing, winnowing, handpicking, sieving. Liquids. Separation, funnel, immiscible liquids, fractional distillation. Insoluble solids and liquids. Sedimentation and decantation, filtration and loading. Soluble solids and liquids. Evaporation and distillation. Like, share and subscribe. Friends, I hope you like my today's video. And if yes, so do give this video a big thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.